Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use two audio outputs at the same time on Windows 11. And for this we go left in the bottom to start, then go to settings, and then right here we go to system, and now we click on sound. At advanced, more sound settings, go to recording, and then right now, first of all, what you need to do is do right mouse click and make sure that show disabled devices is checked. Right now we have the stereo mix right now and it got disabled. So what we need to do now is click right mouse click on it and do enable. Then right now what we want to do is click right mouse click on it again and go to properties. Then from now we click on listen, do listen to this device and select at playback through this device your speakers. Then go to levels and decide what the stereo mix needs to be. And then right now at advanced, you can check mark the exclusive mode options or single enhancements if you want to. But for now, that's not important. And right now, if we do apply and we do OK. So now we can use two outputs at the same time on our PC. So test it, please test it also with the stereo mix and check the playback. But this is exactly how this works. Alright, if this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then from now, thanks for watching.